Roles and responsibilities. Roles and responsibilities. Scrum Master and Product Owner roles. Both the Scrum Master and the Product Owner play pivotal roles in the Scrum framework, which is a widely used Agile methodology. Now, we'll be talking in details about these roles, their responsibilities, their attributes, and their relationship within the Scrum team. Scrum Master. The Scrum Master is a servant leader. They help everyone understand Scrum practices, rules, and values. They are facilitator. They orchestrate key ceremonies like daily stand-ups, sprint review, sprint retrospective, and sprint planning. They shield the team. They ensure that the team doesn't get sidetracked by external requests or disturbances during a sprint. Continuous improvement. They foster an environment where the team looks for ways to improve. Impediment remover. They actively look for impediments that the Scrum team is experiencing and works to resolve them. Their key attributes include empathy, that is, understanding the team's challenges and assisting them. Active listening, listening more than to speak to truly grasp the team's concerns. Facilitation skills, leading meetings to productive conclusions. Conflict resolution, resolving disputes and keeping the team focused on the task. Relationship with the team, works closely with the development team, ensuring that they have everything needed to meet their sprint goals. Ensures open communication channels between the team members and stakeholders. The product owners are visionary. They define the product's vision and strategy. Backlog management. It prioritizes and maintains the product backlog, ensuring that the teams are well defined, prioritized, and ready for development. Stakeholder management. They act as a liaison between the team and the stakeholders, ensuring that everyone is aligned on goals and expectations. Acceptance. Reviews and accepts or rejects the completed work. Return on investment, ROI. They ensure that the product delivers value and aligns with business goals. Their key attributes include decisiveness. They can make tough decisions about priority. Knowledgeable. They understand the business, the users, and the marketplace. Availability. They are available for the Scrum team when needed, especially during sprint planning and review. Collaborative. They work closely with the Scrum Master, the development team, and stakeholders to ensure a shared vision. Relationship with the team. They provide clarity on backlog items and is available to answer questions. They ensure that the team is building the most valuable features first. Relationship between Scrum Master and Product Owner. Collaboration. Both roles must work together closely, although they have different focuses. The Scrum Master focuses on the team and the process, while the Product Owner focuses on the products and the stakeholders. Balancing act. The Scrum Master may focus on protecting the team from external distractions, while the Product Owner might have to manage stakeholder expectations. It's essential for them to balance these dynamics to ensure the team is productive and stakeholders are satisfied. Building effective Agile teams. At the heart of Agile success is the team, a cohesive group that iteratively delivers value. And building an effective Agile team, however, is not a mere assembly of individuals. It's about creating a synergy where the collective outcome is greater than the sum of its parts. How is the Agile team built? First thing to do is to start with the right mix. An Agile team should be cross-functional, comprising individuals with diverse skills necessary for the project. This typically includes developers, testers, designers, business analysts, product owners. Having a balanced team ensures that all aspects of product development from ideation to deployment are covered. Cultivate a growth mindset. A growth mindset, as propounded by Dr. Carol Dweck, is the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. Encouraging this mindset promotes a culture of continuous learning and improvement, fosters resilience in the face of setbacks, encourages team members to embrace challenges. Before we proceed, kindly take some few seconds to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button on the screen. Kindly subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button on the screen, either on your left hand side or on your right hand side. Kindly do so. Kindly click on the subscribe button on your screen, either on your left hand side or on your right hand side. Also click on the notification button to be notified whenever we release new videos such as this. Click on the notification button to get notified, to be the first to know when we release news videos such as this. Kindly do so within some few seconds. I'm waiting for you to do so if you have not done so yet. Thank you so much. Now we proceed. Embrace servant leadership. Traditional management approaches can stifle agile teams. Instead, embrace a servant leadership style where leaders seek to serve first. This means supporting the team rather than directing, removing impediments, providing resources and tools, prioritizing team needs over individual recognition. Encourage open communication. Effective agile teams thrive on open communication. This involves daily stand-up meetings to discuss progress and challenges, retrospective meetings to reflect and improve, encouraging candid feedback without fear of retribution. Foster trust and psychological safety. It has been discovered that the most effective teams felt safe to take risks and can be vulnerable in front of their peers. Cultivate an environment where mistakes are seen as learning opportunities. Every team member feels heard. There's mutual respect and understanding. Celebrate small wins. While it's crucial to keep an eye on the ultimate goal, celebrating small achievements can motivate the team and foster a positive culture. This can include recognizing an individual's contribution, celebrating the completion of challenging tasks, acknowledging innovative solutions. Empower the team. Agile is rooted in empowerment and self-organization. Avoid micromanaging the team. Instead, allow the team to make decisions. Trust their expertise. Provide them with the autonomy to determine how best to meet their commitments. Invest in continuous improvement. Technologies, methodologies, and best practices evolve. For teams to remain effective, continuous learning is essential. This can be achieved through training programs, workshops, conferences, regular knowledge sharing sessions, and others. Value individuals and interactions. While processes and tools are essential, the Agile Manifesto emphasizes the importance of individuals and interactions. Remember, tools don't deliver projects, people do. Foster human connections and understanding. Be adaptable. Rigid processes can hinder progress. Remember the Agile principles. Now, while practices might change, the principles behind Agile remain constant. Revisit the Agile Manifesto and its 12 principles regularly. Let them be the guiding light for your team's journey. Stakeholder engagement in an Agile environment. Engaging stakeholders effectively ensures that the product being developed aligns with the needs and desires of those who have vested interest in it. Now, here are the key aspects of stakeholder engagement in an agile environment. First, regular interaction. Agile emphasizes regular, often daily interactions over processes and tools. This regular contact helps to keep stakeholders in the loop and makes them feel valued. Product owner's role. The product owner is the key point of contact between stakeholders and the development team. The product owner ensures that stakeholder requirements are clearly understood, prioritized, and translated into user stories or product backlog items. Demo sessions. At the end of each iteration or sprint, teams typically conduct a demonstration session, often called a sprint review, to showcase the completed work. This gives stakeholders an opportunity to see the progress, provide feedback, and adjust the direction if needed. Feedback loops. Agile methodologies emphasize feedback. By getting frequent feedback from stakeholders, the team can ensure that they are on the right track and make necessary adjustments in a timely manner. Managing expectations. It is essential to set and manage expectations. Since Agile focuses on delivering value iteratively, stakeholders should understand that not all features may be delivered at once. Educate stakeholders. Many stakeholders may be unfamiliar with Agile practices. Offering education or workshops about Agile principles and processes helps them understand and align better with the team's approach. Respect and empathy. Understand that stakeholders like the Agile team have their pressures, priorities, and challenges. Being empathetic, listening actively, and addressing their concerns will foster trust and better collaboration. Collaborative prioritization. Engaging stakeholders in prioritizing features or user stories ensures that the most valuable functionalities are developed first. This collaborative approach increases the chance of project success. Open communication channels. Transparency is key in Agile. Providing stakeholders with access to tools like Jira, Trello, or others, where they can see the status of various tasks, user stories, or epics can be beneficial. Inclusive workshops. Workshops or brainstorming sessions that include both the team and the stakeholders can be useful. For example, a story mapping session can be conducted to understand and prioritize features collaboratively. Engage beyond the product owner. While the product owner is the primary point of contact, it is essential to involve other stakeholders directly from time to time. This can prevent over-reliance on a single communication channel and ensure a holistic perspective. Feedback on non-functional requirements. While functional requirements are vital, stakeholders should also be engaged to understand non-functional requirements, such as performance, security, and scalability. If you haven't done so yet, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button on the screen. Also, click on the notification button to get notified of our future videos. If you find this video especially helpful, please do not hesitate to like and share with your audience on social media.